If you're a breastfeeding mom, breast pumping, or exclusively pumping mom, you must have this Mom Cozy 3-in-1 Lactation Massager. Yes, 3-in-1 siya kasi meron siyang vibration, heat, and kneading. Very reliable talaga siya. Based sa experience ko before, ang mga lactation massager ay meron lang siya mga vibration effect. Then if you want to warm your breast, you'll need a breast pump, yung mga iniinit sa microwave. Then nagkaroon ng mga lactation massager na may vibration and heat feature. Then now, si Mom Cozy nag-release nitong 3-in-1 lactation massager, which is kailangan natin mga breastfeeding, breast pumping, and exclusively pumping mom. Yung massage ball control niya is low speed, medium, and high speed. For heat control, low for 1 dot, 37 degrees Celsius, medium for 2 dots, 41 degrees Celsius, and high heat, 3 dots, for 45 degrees Celsius. And meron siyang 6 vibration patterns. As a lactating mom, sobrang helpful talaga na magkaroon tayo ng ganitong klaseng lactation massager since prone tayo sa clogged ducts. And para maiwasan din natin magkaroon tayo ng mastitis. Kaya if you want to get your 3-in-1 lactation massager from Mom Cozy, available to in color red and green. Just click the yellow basket.